Welcome back. Let's dive deeper into how you can start and scale a successful business in the year 2026. The business landscape of 2026 is more connected, intelligent, and faster than anything we've seen before. In 2026, it's not just about using AI, it's about building your entire operation around intelligent automation to maximize speed. Hyper personalization is the new standard. Use data to treat every single customer like they are your only customer. Sustainable and ethical operations are now a major competitive advantage. Consumers in 2026 expect social and environmental responsibility. The global workspace is the new norm. Your team can live anywhere, bringing diverse perspectives to solve complex problems. Master the digital economy. Understanding digital assets and blockchain is essential for security and new revenue streams. Agility is your greatest strength. Building a structure that allows for instant pivots is the key to seizing new opportunities. Use predictive analytics for market research. Understand the gaps and needs of the future before they even appear. Modern branding is about building a community. Your customers should be a tribe that believes in your mission. Leverage the cloud and global platforms to scale with minimal overhead. In 2026, you can grow big while staying lean. Focus on AI, sustainability, and a global reach. That is your roadmap for 2026. The future is yours to build. Let's make 2026 your most successful year yet. Good luck.